Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Today we are doing Christmas sticky pudding, which is basically your date cake with sauce. It's so delicious. Let's begin. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 356 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius for a fan. Chop dates and remove the pits. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please watch until the end. Place the dates in a bowl. Then add hot water to soak them for at least 5 minutes. Let's prepare the cake. In a bowl, add butter, softened butter, sugar, and cream them. You may use a wooden spoon to cream them. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and additional information. Add vanilla essence, bicarbonate of soda, and mix. Add apple cider vinegar and mix. It's like when we do malva pudding. Add sifted flour, baking powder, and mix. We're not using eggs today. Our dates will bind everything. Add lukewarm milk and mix. Then blend your soaked dates into a puree. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Add your puree into the batter and mix. Place the batter into a baking tin lined with baking paper. Then level your batter. Tap the tin or the baking tin to eliminate air pockets. Then bake for 30 minutes. Let's make the sauce. Place butter, sugar, golden syrup, and vanilla essence in a pan. Cook on medium to low heat. Once it simmers, add warm to hot cream, double cream, and stir. Or you say it's heavy cream. Simmer for 2 to 3 minutes, then remove the pan from the heat. Once the pudding is ready and it's still hot, poke it, then pour your sauce into the pudding and leave some sauce for when you serve. It's so decadent. Look at that. Moist, sticky, delicious. You need to try it. It's easy. You may serve it with ice cream, toffee sauce that we have prepared. Garnish it with mint and enjoy. Please press the like button and leave a comment below. Please let me know, would you try this recipe? I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time. Hope to see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.